a brand new blog and made $952.15 in less than 3 weeks using free organic traffic. We definitely have to delve into this and expose if it needs to be exposed. Well, hi there and welcome. Thank you for watching another video. And in this video, we are going to do the rank cash method review. Okay, what is that all about? So this is what the traffic, or not the traffic, sorry, what the website looks like. And this guy claiming to have made $952.15 in less than 3 weeks using free organic traffic. Now, the purpose and the reason of this video is for me to delve into the nitty-gritties of this product and of this website, to expose what needs to be exposed, to share what needs to be shared, in order to help you to make an informed decision and to decide whether or not you should buy the rank cash method or not. Who am I? Let's quickly go back. My name is Errol Muller. I'm the owner and the founder of ErrolMuller.com. As you can see, I started my online journey in the year 2012, and in the year 2015, it became a passion of mine, a hobby and a passion and an obsession to basically make money online, to make as much money online as I possibly can in order to live the lifestyle that I do want to live. That is when it all started for me. It was back in the year 2015. Fast forward to the year 2023, where we are now. I've had numerous successes, numerous failures. Life took me on ups and downs. So I'm not going to delve into too much of that. You're more than welcome to head up to my website, ErrolMuller.com, click on the About tab, and you're more than welcome to read all about me there. I'm actually going to update the About tab as we continue and as we progress. Why am I sharing my website with you? The reason of this website, and I know you are watching this video because you want to see a review based on the rank cash method, which I'm going to do right now for you. I just want to share a bit of my background so you know who you are dealing with and who you are watching on this video. I created this website because of my failures, because of my successes, and I created this website to share with you as an individual and show you and help you discover how to create multiple sources of income, which is the number one priority for me, is to show people that you can make a lot of money by having multiple sources of income and at the same time to have as less risk as possible. Now, before we get started with the rank cash method, what I do want to share with you, if you are serious about making money online, I started in the year 2015. I joined a company in the year 2015, and I'm currently still with that company, which is 8 years now. If you're serious about making money online, and after watching this video, you would like to have a look at something serious in order to build a long-term, profitable, sustainable business online, that's literally running on autopilot eventually. You just have to maintain it here and there, and it continues to bring in money for you. But not just by doing that, but by actually helping individuals. If you want to build your own sustainable online business based on your passions, your hobbies, your dreams, your things like that, then I want you to head over to the Make Money Online tab on my website. And if you want to succeed at affiliate marketing, these are all the same business. Affiliate marketing, the same business. How to get traffic to your office and websites, the same business. What I would like for you to do is to click on the ever thought of building your dream business online. Click the Access Now button. It's going to bring it or take you to a website that looks like this, which is 4%. I joined them back in the year 2015. You're more than welcome to watch this video, and you can actually get started for free. It's going to cost you absolutely nothing. You can create yourself a basic account for absolutely free. Enter your details, click on the Get Started, enter your details. Me personally, if you don't believe me, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Just say, hi Errol, I would like to know more. Please create a video showing your back office, and I will do that for you. I am personally on a platinum account. That is me. I'm not saying you must. All I'm saying is get started with a free account, see what it's all about, and if you feel that this is for you, then you can obviously progress. And once you click on the Get Started, you can literally just fill in your details, create your free basic account, and that's it. There you go. That's all you need to do. Now, back to the rank cash method. Let's quickly do this. Firstly, he says a case study reveals how a newbie affiliate ranked a brand new blog and made $952.15 in less than 3 weeks using free organic traffic. No prior experience, no special skill required. Now, I watched this entire video. If you watch that video, firstly, let me show you. I want to share something with you. The video starts off with this guy getting into an accident. Where is it? Let's go.
This changed my life.
Getting into an accident where he was bumped, which I'm not saying he's lying by using that video clip, because it's the only video clip there is of him. There's no face, there's no picture, there's nothing of him. It's just a video clip, and then he shows a quick picture of his leg that is in white. What do you call it? There's a word that I'm looking for. But then he's in hospital, but it doesn't show anything about him. And then the video progresses to say this is the life that he went through and the problems that he experienced, and he didn't have no income, and he created this blog and he ranked it, and then he made $99, then $300, then so many dollars, but it's all just typed out. Let me show you. I actually want to show you. There we go. As soon as you progress, you will see it's all just figures that he shares with you, and it's all typed out, but none of it is like real legitimate, where you can log into the account and you show, this is my account, this is my name, I am logged in, these are my commissions that I earned. So none of that shows that. And the reason I'm creating this video is to help you make an informed decision, to not waste money on just anything. So by watching this video, you can make an informed decision. Big fat disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, not an investment specialist, I'm no product specialist. What I'm sharing with you is my own opinion. I want you to do your own research and do whatever you do at your own risk. I'm just providing you with my opinion. So then it says here, rank high on Google, get free organic traffic. Like I said, firstly, the commissions that he shows, you must log in and show the individuals, this is my account. Okay. And the pictures, there's no pictures of him, nothing. And I'll show you now why. Increase your visibility online, attract more visitors. So he claims that he created a brand new blog. He then started with his blog post or reviews or whatever you call it. He ranked it, and then he started making money. Now, I can tell you now, if you follow guys like Neil Patel and Brian Dean, his name is Brian Dean from Backlinko, the owner and founder of Backlinko, and Neil Patel from Neil Patel. If you follow those guys have been doing online search engine optimization and search engine rankings for years, and they will tell you how much time and effort and money it actually takes and what it requires for you to really rank a blog post and make money with it. And it's definitely not going to happen within 3 years. Sometimes it takes them a year, 6 months to a year, 2 years before that blog post actually ranks. Okay, to get onto the first page of Google, depending on how many backlinks you can get to it, domain authority, page authority, there is so many factors, and real legitimate reviews, comments, there's a lot of things that goes into play. And this guy says no, he did it in 3 weeks, and he just puts out figures, but nothing to really back up the figures in that video. That is definitely something that literally caught me like that. Then he says here, my plan was to build a blog similar to big internet marketing blogs like this ones owned by the likes of Neil Patel, like I just mentioned, Neil Patel, okay, Matthew Woodward and Franklin Natchett. Brian Dean is not there from Backlinko. And then he says, my reason, I figured I needed to write very lengthy articles, blah, blah, blah. And then he says, after much research and testing, I discovered there's a way to rank a brand new blog and make affiliate commissions fast. I applied this method and was so excited to find out it actually worked. Each time I tried it, I made almost $1,000 in affiliate commissions in less than 3 weeks. Now, I want you, Mr. Martin, to log into this account, and I want you to show me a video where you log into your account, you log into your email, you show that this is your email address with all the commissions. Firstly, I can also take a snippet off of internet showing an inbox with commissions and put little snippets on the website. I want you to log in and show me this is your affiliates that you've earned in your account. ClickBank sent him this. I want him to log into his ClickBank account and show me that this is the commissions he earned. Okay. Then again, there's also another way of doing this. You can create a product, which is very simple. product similar to this. And in this case, all he wants to do is to sell his, call it ebook, for $7 to show you how he did it and how you can pull it off too. So if you can make so much money for just an investment of $7, my man, anybody I know would be willing to do that. Invest $7 and make $1,000 in return per week. Now, let me go back to the photo. I want to show you something. Okay, so this is the photo. Here he says, my name is Michael Martin and I work full-time as a videographer. I lost my source of income, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is what it claims he looked like. Okay, now if you go and you search Michael Martin's videographer, you can search, you can click on all these websites and images. So these are websites that are based on Michael Martin's productions. None of them has got a picture of him. None of them has got a picture like this. Even this website, this is actually Michael Martin's, and this is his website. This is what he does for a living, and this is what he looks like. It doesn't look like this. I'll show you. It doesn't look like this. Also, you can type in Michael Martin's videography, then you click on images. Once you click on images, none of these images on Google. I mean, my name is Errol Muller. If you want to search me, you're more than welcome. Go to Google, type in Errol Muller, and there will pop up a numerous amount of videos and photos and everything about me. So if you were that popular, and even with Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever, and it's not a scam account or a scam product, then you would most definitely have photos of yourself. True? And in this case, there's not one photo that links or refers back to him or that looks similar to Michael Martin's that he's portraying on this product. So, you know, all these reviews, these pictures, as pictures that I can get off the internet myself, I can quickly put on the back end of my website, I can write a review, I can rate it as well, I can put a name there, and then it tells you what's inside. Now, me personally, I would never in my life buy this product. Never. I can tell you that now. And if I was you, I wouldn't either. But then again, it's up to you. You must make an informed decision. It's a very long sales page, and a lot of people can do this. You can pay somebody to create a lengthy sales page like this. Awesome sales page. Looks brilliant. It's just to get people to pay that $7 so he can make his commissions. And then by doing that, this is his product. So it's very easy to create this product, link the commissions that he's making back to, for instance, ClickBank or JVZoo or CJ Affiliate, whoever it might be. And then the commissions that he's making from his own product is referring in the back office there. And then he's showing that he's making money with the system. But it's actually not with the system. It's with your sales page. It's literally one sales page, and all the commissions you make there is reflecting back into your account. And now you're showing people all this proof. I mean, come on. So that's just me. Like I said, my name is Errol Muller, the owner of errolmuller.com. You're more than welcome to check out my website. Secondly, please give this video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. I'd like for this video to rank as quickly as possible, as fast as possible within the search engines for individuals similar to yourself to watch this video and to let people see what the rank cash method is all about and what this review video is all about. I appreciate you. I thank you. May you be blessed with a wonderful, financially successful, healthy, loving life going forward. And I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.